Yo, let's go VeVe fam. My name's Tommy, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about why I see the OMI token, OMI, super undervalued, what catalysts I can see coming up in the future to make the price go up in value, and talk about the VeVe ecosystem in a whole and where I see the future going. If you like this kind of content, then please like the button and just like the OG VeVe logo or turn blue and white. Thank you. So here is OMI in CoinGecko, and it is really cheap at the minute with a 0.00627 price range. I mean, let's have a look on the charts. Let's go for the 30 days. The last month it's probably been going down. Whoa, it did bottom out around 55, 57, and it's back up to like the 60 whatever. But I do feel it is super undervalued when you zoom out and look at the whole picture, because look at this, it's just been going flat and sideways. Literally, like, this was the bull market, obviously, up and down, up, and then it's gone down. So if you bought anywhere around here or here, everyone's underwater. So I mean, DCA is the way forward if you still believe in OMI as a token. If you're brand new, then see it as an opportunity, because now you can get it at rock bottom prices. If you believe in it, if you see what's happening in the ecosystem, then when it gets utility, because OMI is a utility token, it will go up for sure. And let's just have a look into the VeVe blog, and they've just updated this interoperability and the OMI utility. So this is what we're looking for this token to go up in price, is OMI utility, because at the minute it has zero utility. So as you can see, they are going to be talking about interoperability, about OMI utility. But quite importantly, as part of the commitment to the above two areas, we have onboarded a new blockchain product and engineering team. Let's go. June the 13th, this article came out. So 2 weeks ago from now, bang. That is very bullish for the OMI token. A team, not just one person. So it's at least two people. And then the VeVe Master Collector program, the MCP points, all this, look at all this. Blah, 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 blah. OMI token utility. Blah, 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 blah. OMI to NFT. So this is what we need. OMI to NFT. Still working on determining the best approach to this. Okay, at least they said they're working on it. It's going to come in the future when they find the best solutions to approach it, sorry. Again, there's a lot going off in MCP. It's not as just straightforward as just, oh yeah, we'll turn it on and then it all works. You know, there's a lot of complexities towards it. When will I be able to use my OMI on VeVe? Reward tier 0 is in development right now. We just have to trust the team on this. Things take time in technology. Look at things like the Tesla Cybertruck still not out. Elon Musk was promising that years ago. Like, tech takes time. Just how it is. Again, same date, June 13th. And then for the OMI utility, which is exactly what we need, there is so much. But when we come down to the last bullet point, this is why I'm bullish on the OMI token. Reduce the total token supply over time from both the circulating and non-circulating supply. Basically means it's going to be burnt. There's a deflationary aspect to it once people start buying and selling in the OMI tokens. So I'll leave all the links in the video. If you want to come and have a look at all these, you can come and check it out, because there is a lot going off and you will need to deep dive into it, not just take my perspective or some other YouTubers or whatever you get your news from point of view, because it is 0006. What's my price prediction? I don't know exactly how much it's going to go up to, but I do feel that it's going to go up to at least all-time highs in the next bull market. It should blow past it. If it gets listed on exchanges like Binance or Coinbase or KuCoin or anything, then it's going to have people are going to easily be able to get it when you need it for the app. You can come in here, your collection, and go in here and buy it straight away into your wallet. That would be great. At the minute, most people, they need to be crypto savvy. They need a MetaMask wallet. They need all this kind of stuff. They need experience in crypto to do it. And this isn't really a crypto person's app at the minute. It's just a collecting app. And that's what I'm bullish on as well, because the biggest IPs in the world, like Disney, I just bought this. Strolling Together, the Pixar movie Elemental, because I went with my kids to watch it with their nana, with my mum. She comes over. I live in New Zealand now. I used to live in the UK, so I bought the stamps. So my mum was here, so we went to see Disney, this film at the cinemas. It's a memory for me. I only have 99 collectibles. I'm not using it as I want to buy things that don't mean anything to me. I bought the New Zealand stamps. I bought these Raptors again because my youngest son had Raptor training Jurassic Park pajamas, brand new, that his nana bought. So he's walking around with these two Raptors. So I bought the two Raptors so we can use it in AR, take photos. How cool is that? Again, me and both my sons, we went to see the new Miles Morales film before the Elemental again. So I bought a Ghost Spider just to remember it because it's Gwen Stacy. Why wouldn't you? Again, comics, the Miles Morales comic. I'm definitely into buying like low mint comics. Like if you do agree with this, like go and watch this video up here on my screen now or at the end of the video, whenever you want to go and watch it. If you're bullish on comics, that's my thoughts on comics. I'm not going to go into like deep like why. So like why I'm so bullish on it is all the brands and what they say they're going to do this MCP and it takes ages to come out, and then it came out and it's like, oh, we should forget about it now, it's out. But they're constantly working on things and like making things better, like improving the web app, the search bar, all these kind of things. You can just laugh at it, but everything will come together. We're very early into this project. These NFTs are like, I know you can't really trade them outside of VeVe just yet, but I do believe it will come in the future once they're open to like IMX on the layer 2. And like you can buy like the first appearance of Spider-Man, the Peter Parker stuff. Like I don't have like any grails really. I have the Blue Todd, like the Darth Vaders and stuff. I don't really have any super grails, so I really need some help because I'm on 99 collectibles. I do want to get like my 100th wants to be a grail, so let us know in the comments what grail I should get, because I do really want something nice, but I don't want to spend like an arm and a leg because I don't have a lot of money to throw into it. I'd rather be investing into crypto and the OMI token, because that's it. You can just go bang, 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 press some buttons. If your OMI's in your ledger or wherever it is, in your MetaMask or wherever you store it, you can just press a few buttons and you can swap it for real life value. You don't have to list this NFT for $100, wait for it to sell. Then you want to cash out, you need an extra like $400 to cash out. The minimum is $500 or whatever the rules are. Then you get 10% on it. The OMI crypto is the way to invest in this app to make like serious money. Of course, I believe in like things like partner statue and things. When it was $2,000, I thought, yeah, this is undervalued. I can see this going up to 50 grand, even maybe 100 grand in a super bull market. Like that's in phenomenal gains in that. But that's a super grail to me, the way I look at that collectible, as it's an FA like Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse on the blockchain. But I can't afford that right now. I can't like just throw all my crypto portfolio into buying like JPEGs or augmented reality NFTs that are exclusive to VeVe. But I am bullish on it. I'm super bullish on it. I wouldn't have 99 collectibles and however many comics. I've got just less comics, 91. If I wasn't bullish on it, I wouldn't hold the OMI token if I wasn't bullish on it. I wouldn't be making this video if I wasn't bullish on it. Like on their Twitter, look, it's great because people like Dino, shout out to Dino. I don't know this guy, but he's just VeVe have retweeted it. Look at this great photo of Spider-Man hanging upside down in augmented reality. Wherever he is, it looks like some beautiful place, maybe South America, I don't know. Don't at me on that. Here, Darth Vader and against Anakin, like with this lightsaber. The Hulk smashing that. Like, how cool is that? That people are literally taking their photos on holiday or wherever they are of these great collectibles, like this guy in Italy as well. Jack, shout out to Jack Ingwell in holiday. I don't know if he's on holiday in Italy or he lives in Italy. I was looking at it earlier, like pretty cool. I know this Todd kind of blends in and stuff, but that's the first ever collectible on VeVe. Amazing. Like you can use that. That's why I bought the 2 raptors. So I've got my youngest son with the 2 raptors. Like just making fun photos, like childhood memories, and like we'll get dinosaurs and play with the other dinosaurs. So you got the augmented reality with the physical. It's like, and we're only at the start of what you can do with this technology. You've seen the Apple glasses coming out, right? And then you can bring these Batman like and everything. I mean, I'm super bullish on it, as you can tell from the way I talk about it and the reason why I'm talking about it still like this. I know there's a lot of FUD out there, but you've got to zoom out, think, make your own mind up. Like, is VeVe for you? I use the NFTs personally to collect for what I like collectors at heart. That's their motto. And for me, that's why I collect things that mean something to me, like the New Zealand stamps, because I emigrated to New Zealand. And the things like when I go to the cinema, I'll buy a collectible to remind me of that, like Elemental. So it means something to me. I'm not out there buying 100 Tods because I want to sell them to the next person for 10x profit. I feel that if you want to do that and make some money, go out and buy the OMI token or any other like crypto, or invest in stocks or real estate or whatever you want to do. Like, invest your money into that. But don't go out and buy 100 Tods. I mean, I don't know why I'm rabbiting on about buying 100 Tods. There probably is people out there that have got 100 Tods sitting on them waiting for them to explode because they believe in them, and there's nothing wrong with that if you want to go and do that. The way I see the VeVe platform is that I want to just buy the NFTs, enjoy them for what they are, and just to see how it goes. I mean, the comics, buying the low mint comics again, I'm super bullish on them because they can go up so much in value when the real physical comic book collectors all come to these augmented reality comics, when they want to wear the headset and read the comics and stuff. That's why I'm super bullish on them and see those as more of an investment, whereas the collectibles are a little bit more like just for fun for me. That's the way I'm seeing it, viewing it. And I don't want to sell any of my comics at the minute. I'm just in accumulation stage. I've just got under 191. I want to get more. I want to get like all the grails, of course. But like, there's so many great things in Web3 to be invested in, not just VeVe, not just OMI. Like, there's so many great things, like the innovation is there. And in this bear market, it's very easy to spot the good projects that are developing well, they're building. That's why you want to come and subscribe to my channel so I can share with you all my knowledge. Because I've worked as an NFT advocator for 9 months in the last bull market for Torum Social Fire because of my NFT knowledge. Like, that's my knowledge, that's my experience. And this was ages ago in 2021. I was into NFTs before Bored Apes. If you like this kind of video, please like the video because you watched it to the end, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.